You have probably seen Ishan Sharma's video where he recommends AI tools that can change your life. But let's be honest, how many of us actually try those tools? And even if we do they really work the way they are shown in videos? Or is it just hype and editing? So I decided to test it myself. For the last 7 days, I completely changed my workflow, every single task, scripting, planning, editing. I only use the top 7 AI tools recommended by Ishan Sharma. Some tools saved me hours, some I wish I had started using earlier, and one tool totally bakwas. So if you genuinely want to know which tools are actually worth your time, watch till then because this is the unfiltered review. Hey friends, I'm Sparkila. On this channel we talk about AI, productivity and systems that make your life easier. And just to be clear, this is not a fake video. These are my personal honest results after testing the tools Ishan Sharma has recommended. Let's start with the most famous one, Chatgpt. Ishan often recommends it for brainstorming, planning and even validating ideas. I tested it with a real task, planning my next 5 YouTube videos. Instead of spending hours searching on Google, I gave Chatgpt a super specific prompt. Act as a YouTube growth strategist. Give me 5 video ideas for beginner in AI productivity that are highly searchable with title, hooks and thumbnail suggestions. The results were surprisingly good and it saved me at least 3 hours of research. But here's the twist. When I asked a generic question like give me video ideas, the output was boring and repetitive. So the lesson is Chatgpt is like a supercar, powerful, but unless you learn how to drive it properly and it won't take you far. Always add context, roleplay and format in your prompts. Tool number 2. Notion AI, one of the Ishan's go-to recommendations for summarizing and organizing notes. I tested it on 15 messy pages of book notes, random sentences, half highlights, scattered thoughts. Within seconds, Notion AI gave me a clean 5-point structured summary with proper headlines. It honestly felt like a productivity steroid. Lesson is, the messier your input, the more you will appreciate Notion AI. Tool number 3 is Canva Magic Studio. Everyone uses Canva, but Ishan often highlights Canvas like AI background removal and AI image generation. The background removal absolutely perfect. From messy images to clean cutouts, instant. But the AI image generator honestly a bit disappointing. I asked for a futuristic AI workspace, but the results like a video game. Pro tip is use Canva AI for speed, but always add your own creative touch. Tool number 4, Descript. If you make videos or podcasts, this recommendation might change your life. I uploaded a 15 minutes raw video into Descript. It instantly gave me a transcript. By simply relating words in the text, the corresponding parts of the video were cut out. No complex timeline, no heavy editing, just text-based editing. So lesson is, if you create long-form content, this will save you hours. Tool number 5, Gamma app. Creating presentation is usually boring and time-consuming. With Gamma app, you just type your topic and in 2 minutes you get a full presentation deck. I tested it by creating a 10-slide AI workshop deck and it looked good enough to present to clients. Tool number 6, Opus Clip. Another tool Ishan often recommends is Opus Clip and this one became my personal favorite. I uploaded a long YouTube video and it automatically picked the best highlights and turned them into short vertical clips, complete with captions and transitions. Tool number 7, VidIQ AI. Finally, VidIQ AI is recommended for YouTube growth, especially for keyword research and generating clickable titles. I tested it by entering my video topic. Within seconds, it gave me 5 title ideas complete with search data. For example, my original boring title, Best AI Tools for Student, turned into something like 7 AI tools that will make you a top student in 2025. Much more click-worthy, right? After 7 days of testing, my top 3 game changers were Chatgpt, Notion AI and Descript. And the biggest lesson, you don't need all 7 tools. Master just 1 or 2 and you will already see massive results. If you want me to test tools recommended by other Indian creators like Ansmera or Tech Bernard, drop a comment below. And if you like my personal AI prompt formula for productivity, I have linked it for free in the description. Grab it before I take it down.